Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I will show you how to do Git operations using VS Code UI. That is from using this source control. Okay. And in this video, I'm not going to explain any Git concepts because I've already covered most of them in these 8 videos. Okay. Okay. So if you think using the commands git commands is difficult and remembering the git commands is difficult, so you can always do the same operations using VS Code UI. Okay, but from interview perspective, remembering command is very important. Okay. Okay, and as part of this video I will show you how to perform these actions using VI. That is how to clone repo, create a branch, make changes, stage, commit, and push. Okay. Okay. So let us see one by one. The first one is clone. Okay, so you know when we do clone and how to do clone using commands, correct? So cloning is, so you're new to the project and first time your system is empty, you don't have anything. In that case, you clone. Okay, so suppose you're the person and you have done everything, you don't need to clone. Okay, so you do the cloning only when you have nothing in your machine and you're the new person in the team. In that case, you need to clone the repository from GitHub. Okay, so how to clone? So click on this source control icon and here you will see repository. If you don't see repositories, so now I don't have repositories, correct? So if I want repository, click on the source control and check this repositories. Okay, so here I'm in main branch. So if I want to clone, click on this and click on this clone. Okay, and here you need to enter the GitHub sorry, repository URL, that is this one, repository. Okay, so you need to enter this URL and clone. Okay, so since I already have the project in my machine, I will not clone, but the step is click on this and click on clone and enter the URL and the project will save in your machine. Okay, so that is cloning. The next one is, as part of this video, is create a branch. Okay, so in order to create a branch, you click on this bottom left. Okay, so you are in main, so click on this and you'll get these options. Okay, so you want to create a branch, so click on this create new branch. So give the name, I will say feature slash, what should I say, demo branch. Okay, press enter, so it will create the branch for us. And you can see that I've already switched to this branch. Okay, so click on this and here let it load. I'll do once again, I'll show you. Okay, so click on this and here click on this create new branch and enter the branch name and press enter. It will create the branch and switch to it. Okay, so now you make any changes. Okay, so go to this explorer. I'll take this final page and I will add some text. Let it load. I'll add only one test. Okay, so after this I will show you how to stage and commit. I'll copy, paste, and I'll just change the name test case 2 and save. Okay, so now I saved, so you can see that it is modified. Okay, let us go to source control. So under changes, you can see whatever is changed. Okay, so now what we have to do, I made some changes, then we need to stage. So how to stage? You can see this plus icon, correct? So click on this plus icon, so it will stage. So click on this plus icon. So you can see that, so changes move to staged. So now what we need to do, we need to enter the message and click on commit. Okay, so message I will say is test branch. Okay, and click on commit. So I can do commit and push, also commit. Okay, so I'll click on commit. So once you commit, you need to publish the branch. Okay, so then it will go to GitHub. So click on publish branch. Okay, so I'll go to GitHub. So you can see this feature demo branch is published. Okay, so if you want, you can create a pull request. So the next one is push. So I've done the push. Okay, so if you want to pull, okay, so now you're in this feature branch. So if you want to pull the changes from the main, again click on this three dots and click on pull. Okay, so it will bring the latest changes. So you know already the concept. This is just how you do using UI. Okay, so this is all for this video. If you think you learned something from this video, please do subscribe and like this video. And also in the next video I will make a video on Git and GitHub, you know, so about how to create so how to crack the interview. Okay, so whatever possible questions they can ask from Git and GitHub, I'll try to cover them. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.